In this video, we'll walk you through the simple process of logging into ChatGPT. Follow these steps to get started with one of the most powerful AI tools available. Step 1. Open your web browser. Open your preferred web browser, Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, etc., on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Go to the ChatGPT website. In the browser's address bar, type the URL https://chat.openai.com and press Enter. This will take you to the ChatGPT login page. Step 3. Click on the Login button. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. Step 4. Enter your credentials. You'll now be prompted to enter your login details. Email address. Type in the email address associated with your OpenAI account. Password. Enter your password. If you don't have an account yet, simply click the Sign Up option to create one. Step 5. Two-factor authentication, if enabled. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, for extra security, you'll receive a code on your phone or email. Enter the code in the appropriate field and click Verify. Step 6. Access ChatGPT. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the ChatGPT interface. You're now ready to start chatting with the AI, asking questions, and exploring its capabilities. Troubleshooting tips. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link on the login screen to reset it. Ensure your internet connection is stable for a smooth login experience. Conclusion. Logging into ChatGPT is easy and quick. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll be ready to interact with one of the most advanced AI chatbots in just a few moments. Let us know if you have any questions or need further assistance in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials.